guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sayabami, and if you're new here, you're welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you something real quick. Today I'm going to be teaching you 3 major hacks, fashion hacks, that is going to change your life. I mean, for good. Little things can make your life much easier, which is why it's a good idea to have some tricks up your sleeves. So let's look into these hacks real quick. So trick number 1, I'm gonna go out, but I have this jean or skirt or pants that the zipper just doesn't want to close to the top. All you need to do is you close the zip, and then you put the rubber tie through the zipper hole, and then wrap it around the button right before you close the button, and then that will make it that will make the zipper secured with the button, and then you can close the button. This is going to keep your zipper up all day. I just want to go out and I have a wrinkled clothes. Sometimes when we travel, we wouldn't want to carry our iron or steamer with us, and you know, it can be so annoying when you wear a wrinkled clothes out. So what do? I got you all the same. So all you have to do is just look. Most hotel rooms usually have hair dryer, or most women carry hair dryer with them. Place the clothes on a hanger, and then you pick your hair dryer and use it over the wrinkled areas on the clothes. The steam and the heat is going to make the wrinkled part look ironed, and that's the trick right there. You can see. Mofo, eh? I told you I got you. This is life-changing hacks, guys. Let's go to the next one. I know you don't have to tell me. I know I told you I got you in the first place, right? I got you. It can be super annoying when you have your makeup all over your clothes, all over your white top, your white neck, your white clothing. Don't worry, I've got something to help you, and this is a hack that is very, very easy. Very, very easy. So what do when you have your makeup on and you want to, so what do you have to do? All you have to do is use your hair to cover your face, and then this will prevent the clothes from touching your face, and you can easily wear the clothes and your clothes won't be stained. The second option, you have 2 options here. The second option is to use a scarf. If you have a short hair, use a scarf, cover your face. Just, you know, the scarf doesn't have to be squeezed on your face, just like I'm doing in the, you know, styling part of the video. Cover your face and then put the clothes on. Ta-da! There you go. No stain, nothing. Got you, right? Sometimes you want to use a belt around your waist, and then when you use it, the belt is a little too long, so, and you don't know what to do. So before I got to know some of these things, I used to just, you know, tie it somehow and then, you know, roll it somehow and make a style. But I've been doing it differently, which is a little, you know, it's neat and, you know, better than what I've been doing before, which is so use the elastic band, wrap it around your belt, put it inside your belt, and then you pass the leftover one inside the loop of the elastic band, and that will secure it in place. Another option to this you have 2 options here too. Another option is you can simply use what is it called, a tape. So you can use a tape and just turn the tape, how do I put it, the sticky part of the tape, turn it around so that the whole part that will be outside will be the sticky part. Put it on one side of your, then stick it together. Make sure it's a very good, sticky one. Put it together, and that will secure your belt all this. These are the hacks I have for you today, and if you love any of the hacks, just comment down below. Let me know if you're going to use it. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I hope you like what I've shown you today, and you can still go through the rest of my videos. I'm going to put the link down below. I have other interesting videos you can just take a look at. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you can get updates of my new video. And we'll see you again next week. Bye.